Jordan 3 black cement.
What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. I'm back with another video today. I released my Jordan 3 black cement video yesterday, and we unboxed them on Friday. Those were the exclusive access shock drop from sneakers. I didn't go for anything on sneakers yesterday though, but what I realized is I got him a size 8, knowing that he has several size 6s that he's wearing right now and a couple of size 7s that he still hasn't gotten into. Trent, look this way. I like that mullet. And but I really want to start wearing these with him. So we're here at the mall today, and we're wearing Jordan 4 red, Jordan 4 red, and we're gonna go get some Jordan 3 black cements in a size 6C for him to wear now, and we're gonna get Mommy and Atticus a size 6.5. I hope. Hopefully they have them. They should. It's 11 o'clock on a Sunday. The mall's pretty close. I hope they open at 11 and not noon. I guess we'll see. Whoops. They don't open until noon today, but Kids Foot Locker probably has all we need. I'd rather buy them at JD though, so we'll probably get them there. But look at Trent. Look at Trent. He's like, give me some shoes, Daddy. Give me some shoes. I guess we gotta come back later. Come on, let's go. Look at that. He's like, Daddy, let me in to see the shoes. There's so many shoes. Shoes. Well, YouTube, it's 11:15 now. We gotta wait 45 minutes before we can get in. We gotta get back to church to get Hesper and Peyton back from pre-K. This is a little bit of word from my middle school class this morning. First, Matthew 10:26 and Luke 12:7 both say that the very hairs on your head are all numbered. In Ruth, it says that she was created. Mordecai says that Ruth was created for such a time as this. God has... Did you just take your pad off your shoulder? What are you doing? Ruth was created for such a time as this. God put us together for a specific time, a specific purpose, a specific task, a specific role in his church. And what I was telling the kids this morning, it's like some of these kids play sports, and what if they were getting scouted? Like a scout from the team they wanted to play for was there watching them and knew that they wanted them for a particular role. They'd be excited. They'd be like over the moon. Well, God put you together specifically for that specific purpose. Like, he didn't just scout you, he made you exactly how he wanted to be. We should be excited about that. I think I'm a sneakerhead on purpose. I'm a dad on purpose. Whether or not they like it, I like to teach people things, and God made me those things on purpose for a reason. Atticus, or that's not Atticus. Trent, say hey. How about say bye? Bye. I gotta see what he's doing back there. But we got 15 minutes, and then we're gonna get back in here and finish this mall vlog. I've got my pair with me so that I can wear them out with him, because what I really enjoy about this with my son is we get to un-DS our shoes together. I'm gonna check him out. We'll be back with you in a little bit. All right, now we got black cements and black cements. This way, Trent, let's go. Hey, let's go. I'm back in the shoe room. I did the vlog at the mall. We ended up getting what we needed, but I want to talk about them really quick. I already gave you my word, the word Peyton's recording, and she's probably wondering why I'm not getting a word from our sponsor. I already did it for this video, just not that was recorded right here. All right, so went back and I took my pair. I took my pair in a small bag. Had Trent with me. We were both wearing the Bred 4s, and I actually have these still up here because I wanted to talk about them just a little bit. This is Trent's size 8 that we showed in the other video. Oh, size 8. He's not going to be able to wear these for a really long time, and that's when I decided that I better just go back and get him a pair to wear. And that's when I also decided, because I like these things so much, that I needed to get Hesper, and probably she'll let Atticus wear these, get them a pair too. So we have all of them here. This is a 6.5, this is a 6C. We got my size. So I want to compare these really quick. I want to talk about a couple of things, because in the video where I unboxed my pair, and I've still got another pair that are coming in, I just haven't gotten them from my friend yet, and I'll look at those and compare the quality on those. I'm perfectly fine with the quality on these, no issues with quality. And but there were some comments in the last video that there's one person that commented in particular, and he wasn't being particularly detestful or anything like that, but he was saying that the A Ma Maniére 3 is way better. And I got the A Ma Maniére 3 down here. I actually had it out in that video, and I said I don't really like those. The suede on that that shoe that is in place of the elephant print, it is pretty nice. I do like that material. The other material is okay, but I don't know what it is about this leather. This leather is like thick and squishy. Touch and pain. I don't know what it is about that leather. I really like this leather. I mean, there's a piece of paper in there that's holding it rigid. I mean, you could squeeze it like this too, whatever. It's just I really like that leather. It's not nearly as good on the little kids, and also not quite as good on these either. But I showed these to Hesper the other day, and she agreed with me. She agreed with that they pop. What I told y'all they popped for is the white on the back. I really like this pop. I like the contrast here too, and this is popping because it's in contrast. Hesper mentioned that she liked the contrast here, the black to the gray, and I like the white cements. They're white on white, and what else? The fire reds that I put away, they're white on red. It just doesn't have the same pop. And when Trent and I went into the mall, we were wearing these, and like I kind of got tired of these. I like them. Everybody, I think, if you're a sneakerhead, you like Jordans, you better like a Bred 4. And I do like these Bred 4s. They're just like, there's no pop.
Right.
There's no contrast. The Nike Air on the back is gray. It doesn't pop the same way here either. It doesn't really have a whole lot of other color anywhere. It's mostly just black. And this material, it's not even a deep black.
Like the only pop is like on the
back of the tongue?
No, like right here.
Here, the white here, yeah. And that's already getting dirty. I don't even wear these that much, and that's getting dirty. I actually do wear these quite a bit because Trent has these and he wears these. So every time I go out with Trent, we've only got 3 pairs of shoes right now that we're twinning. Talked about that in the last video too. Military Blue 4s, Bred 4s, and Gratitude 11s. I got 2 pairs of these for him. He's going to be able to wear these a little bit longer because...
Oh, those are really cute.
What, this? Yeah, this is a size 6. This is what I got for him yesterday. And he also has a size 8. So shortly after he grows out of these, he's going to grow into those. And in between there, he's going to have these, the Travis Olives and the Travis Canaries between those.
Goodness.
But also, this is the end of November, and guess what's coming out in just a couple of weeks?
What?
The Jordan 11 Legend High. That is the first Jordan that I ever owned. You better believe Trent's going to get a pair. Hesper and Atticus wear the lows that I have as well.
They just don't wear them as much.
Neither of them wear them. But Hesper really likes these. She says they're really comfortable. And I mean, I agree 11s are really comfortable. But I'm going to get at least 1 pair for myself. Since it was my first ever pair of Jordans.
You gotta celebrate. You gotta celebrate.
I got to celebrate. Trent needs 2 also. So he might get 2 pairs of those. Not a 6 and an 8. Yeah. Maybe a 7 and a 9 or a 10, so that you can wear them at different times, because who knows when they might come out, when they might or may never come out again.
Yeah.
But I just really like these. And I wore them yesterday when we left the mall. You saw that on the video. And then I wore them again today. Peyton and I walk around all over the place today, and they're just so comfortable. I think 3s are my favorite pair of Jordans to wear. Yeah. So that's why we did it. I hope you enjoyed the mall vlog. Trent had an incredible time running around the mall. I think that's all I got for this video. So tell your grandma about the Jordan 3 black cement. Trent's 2 pairs of Jordan 3 black cements. And man, he was so cute when he opened these things. And then every time he's like, "What's that?" And I say, "Jordan 3 black cement." He's never going to say that. Not all of those words together. Not anytime soon, at least. But thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.